Hi, this is my sixth learning summary video of corporate finance class at DeepMe International Business School Executive MBA program. This week we will talk about arbitrage. What is the arbitrage and what is the advantage and disadvantage of arbitrage? Arbitrage is a strategy of taking advantage of price difference upon the same asset but at different market in a relatively the same time. This kind of trade only feasible during market inefficiencies because in other words, arbitrage is like taking profit on a system flaw. Since it sounds like a speculation, what is it actually differentiating arbitrage than a speculation? Arbitrage is when we execute our trade because we know that the very same product were being priced differently in the same time in a different market, and we know for sure that we will profiting out of it. Speculations, on the other hand, we execute a trade with an assumption that its price will change, but eventually we don't know whether the price changes will be favorable or not for us. In the context of financial market, what is the advantages and disadvantages from arbitrage transactions? The advantage is that it could totally eliminate or highly limit our risk in order to get a profit, since basically it only exercises pricing flow in the different market at the same time. The disadvantage are, first, it tends to be more expensive because of the transaction cost, since you have to execute the transactions at least 2 times. And second point is that it requires a substantial amount of capital to be executed because arbitrage is playing a price difference, so it needs to be done in a scalable amount for you to get a substantial profit. And the third point is that it can't be happen anytime because market inefficiency or asset mispricing is not usually occurred unless during a turmoil or someone in the market mistakenly mispriced the asset. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you.